Yo, what's up everybody? April 23, 2024. Today is 333 days on the road, and today we're at the very first Pizza Hut here in Wichita, Kansas. It opened up at Bluff and Kellogg Street on June 15, 1958. Two former WSU students, Dan and Frank Carney, borrowed $600 to open the very first Pizza Hut. Their corporation grew to become the world's largest pizza chain and was sold to Pepsi Company in 1977 for $300 million. Welcome to Pizza Hut. What can I get for you lovely folks?
I'll get a cookie pizza.
We don't have that.
Okay, meatloaf then?
No. How about you just have a pepperoni pizza, okay? Thank you.
Yeah.
And Pepsi products? Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Pepsi?
Yep.
Oh, wait, I have cherry Pepsi?
No. That's Pizza Pete.
I had this on my first iPhone. I had this game.
There's a Pizza Hut wine bottle. There's a Pizza Hut train. Look at the old school Pizza Hut red roof building. They got these nice fresh Pizza Hut kicks. They got the Barbie Pizza Hut. Check out this old cash register. They got the menus from the Dominican, Chinese, Swiss, Indian, and Arabic. Recipe for success. Make pizza and they'll come.
We got nothing! Because we eat big pizza. Like the big New Yorker from Pizza Hut.
Hey, you guys hungry? Where you guys want to eat? You guys want to eat at Freddy's or you guys want to eat at White Castle?
White Castle.
White Castle's not even here anymore. I don't know why it's not here. It was made here in Kansas and now it's not even here. They don't even have one store. So, let's go look for a Pizza Hut. Dude, I was trying to find a Pizza Hut with the red roof that looks like a hut, but this is as close as I could get. Everything else was like in the strip mall. Dude, that Pizza Hut was like, the lobby was all closed. They had everything everywhere.
It's dark too.
So, it looks like we're gonna eat at Freddy's. Another Kansas staple. Check it out, guys. We just made it to the very first Freddy's frozen custard and steak burgers. So we got 2 kids meal cheeseburgers and then 1 chicken tender and then also a double. Look it, they got jalapeno fry sauce. So let's try it.
This potatoes is shoestring potatoes.
Yeah, that burger's pretty good. Look at that. 2 patties, bacon, cheese, onions, pickles, mustard. First bite from Madame. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. That's good. How is it?
Jacob.
We got concrete signature turtle. There you go. You want some? This right here is the exploration place. Thank you, sir.
And look, there's Laser Taylor Swift.
Entry fee to get in here was $20 for adults. Kids were 15, and that's all access. So we all get to go to the Dome and watch unlimited movies. We're gonna watch the Arctic show and the T-Swift show. Yay, T-Swift. And then we're also gonna watch a live science show. Who's back there? Is that Jacob?
Yeah.
Dude, this place had all kinds of activities. They had like a castle, kids were running around. They had like a big old Lego room with all the kids building. And look at this right here. What is that?
It's kinetic sand.
Dude, that's nice. I didn't even have to buy it and clean it up.
Hammerhead shark. I'm gonna use it as a hammer.
Whoa. You ready?
Yeah, I know technique. I know a technique that is gonna be easy.
Dude, you literally almost lost in the first hole. You did!
What if I touch it, Dad? Done. Look at done. I want to go here too. I crashed into something, Dad.
Dude, look how cool this movie theater is. The Digital Dome Theater. We just had a good time at the exploration place. We played with a whole bunch of exhibits. We went to a science show. Now we're walking back to our van and we're actually sleeping in the parking lot. Did everyone have a good time?
Yeah. Look how much bracelet
How much bracelet she got?
Never put the ball emoji on me. And